Looking for the fuse box in your Ford F-250, 1992 to 1997? I'll show you exactly where it is and break down the diagram so you can find the right fuse quickly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in 1992 to 1997 Ford F-250 protects interior circuits such as lighting, wipers, and the radio, using clearly labeled standard blade-type fuses for easy identification. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in 1992 to 1997 Ford F-250 manages high-power components such as the ignition system, fuel pump, and headlights, using maxi fuses and relays to protect critical engine and powertrain functions. Additional fuses in the 1992 to 1997 Ford F-250. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.